Hello everyone and welcome to Wheel Joint. Today I will show you how to start your Kia Sportage engine using the push start button. This modern feature is not only convenient but also adds a touch of sophistication to your driving experience. Let's get started. First, make sure that you're sitting in the driver's seat and your key fob is with you. The key fob is essential for this process as it sends signals to your vehicle. Before starting the engine, ensure that your gear shift is in the park position. You can also start the engine when the shift lever is in the N or neutral position, but for your safety, start the engine with the shift lever in the park position. Now firmly press down on the brake pedal. This step is crucial for starting the engine. Next, locate the engine start-stop button on the dashboard. With your foot on the brake pedal, press the start-stop button. After a brief moment, the engine should start, and you'll hear it come to life. Look at the dashboard to make sure there are no warning lights or messages. Your engine is now running, and you're ready to go. When you're ready to turn off the engine, simply ensure your gear shift is in park, press down the brake pedal, and press the push start button once. This will safely turn off the engine. If you press the engine start-stop button without depressing the brake pedal, the engine will not start, and the car will go into accessory mode. The accessory mode will turn off automatically after 1 hour to prevent battery discharge. That's it. Starting and stopping your Kia Sportage using the push start button is as simple as that. Remember to keep your key fob handy and follow these steps for a smooth and convenient start every time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheel Joint for more informative content. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.